Let's talk today about transitions. We need transitions to help our sentences and our paragraphs flow from one to the next and so that our writing reads more smoothly. Here's an example. If we look at the first example, the first sentence is contradicted by the second sentence, so the word however in between helps to smooth over that contrast. We can also use transitions between paragraphs. Without transitions between paragraphs, each paragraph can read a little bit like a mini essay, so the transition sentence between paragraphs will help your readers to see the connection between the two. In this example, the first paragraph is talking about the effect of climate change on the ecosystem, while the second paragraph is talking about the effect of climate change on the global economy. I've put in black the transition sentence that starts the second paragraph so we can see how these two ideas connect. The transition sentence both points to the last paragraph and points forward to the new discussion in the coming paragraph. Here you'll see a list of transition phrases. You don't need to memorize transition phrases. You need to remember that they need to exist, that we need to use them for our writing to flow, and then you can just come back to videos like this or look up transition lists online.